Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. We know rainy day is a very enjoyable day for everybody and we enjoy rain. So on this topic we will enjoy a performance from our very dear student Mehdi bhai. So let's enjoy.
Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope you are keeping cool by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also fine by His mercy. True to say, I am not a good speaker and I am not in the habit of speaking in public place. Yet I will try my best to deliver my speech perfectly. At the beginning of my speech, I would like to thanks to my teacher Sabbir sir for giving me a chance to deliver to a speech. Today my topic is a rainy day. So let's get started. Yesterday was a rainy day. The day was full of dark clouds and rain started to fall in the morning. Everyone had to use umbrellas and wear raincoats to stay a day. The roads and sidewalks were wet and shiny. Raindrops made a soft shooting sound on the roof and windows. It was nice to stay in the feelings warm and cozy. Um, that's all about my today's presentation. Next, I will come up with another interesting presentation. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.